Mathematics question. Okay, the question asked is we have to find out the integrating factors of the given equation. Okay, I1 and I2 is the integrating factor. Okay, so the equation given as x y dash plus 2y equals to 1. Okay, second equation is x y dash minus 2y equals to 1. Okay, so these are the two given equations, and for that we have to find out the integrating factor. So just take the first equation will be x dy by dx to 1 minus 2y, right? Now this can be written like this. Then took the x at the other side, so it will be dy 1 minus 2y dx by x. Okay, so integrating both the sides, what we will get, okay, so integrate both the sides, so this will be log of 1 minus 2y and log of x, right? Now if you take this log that side, it will be converted into exponential, right? So e to the power log x, so this will be 1 minus 2y, so 2y will be 1 minus e log x, right? And then y will be 1 minus e log x by 2. Okay, so now this is the y value for this one. Similarly, if you integrate this value, you will get x dy by dx 2 into okay, just take on the other side 2y plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 2y. Similarly, it will be dy by 1 plus 2y dx by x. Okay, then again integrate on both the sides. This will be log 1 plus 2y log of x, so it will be 1 plus 2y e to the power log x. This will be 2y into e log x minus 1. If you like to convert this, this will be minus 1 minus e to the power log x, right, by 2. Okay, so once you will multiply this two value integrating factor, okay, so it will become, so the I1 into I2 will be 1. Okay, because this will be get cancelled out, because it will be something like this, be 2 by 1 minus e to the power log x. Okay, so the eigenvalue is the integrating factor is 1. Okay, so the answer is D. Thank you.